Hey everyone, this is Srivat. So today I'm wanting to talk towards the founders because being a designer in the founder's shoes, I went through a lot while building my own AI product. So here I'm just sharing my experience. So if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Srivat. I run my own design studio called Observer Studio Labs, where I help founders and the business owners through for the branding and the UX UI project. So yeah, I recently was working with one of the international founders. So what we have went through is such a different thing because she comes from the non-technical background, so I helped her to understand and discuss about the features what we gonna involve in the MVP, because going from the idea to MVP is one of the greatest stage, because you need an MVP product just to validate your real customers when you go through the hands of the users out there. So which really helps. So from idea to MVP, the most important priority is the clarity. If you don't have the clarity with the features, then it's going to take a lot of time. So if you have the clarity and the priority, like what all the things you really need to execute as a founder, then you can go from idea to the MVP. I think it takes around 2 to 3 weeks. So where you can really build a full-fledged product which you can test out in the market. So this is what the valuable lesson which I learned while working. So being from the idea to MVP, there is only one thing you need to really prioritize is the clarity. So this is what the insight what I learned from that project. So I'm gonna share the lot of insights and the experience what I learned from the several projects. Like I'm also working one of the branding projects which is a very premium brand out there. So they are building, it's a startup again. So I love to work with the startups because they always come up with the curiosity and the understanding where 1% better than the existing market. So I love to work with them. So because eventually I love challenges, understanding the problem and solving in a better way, that's what makes us as a designers. So let's meet you in the next video. I'll come up with the new story and the experience what I went through. Till then, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and let's meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.